Today on Do It Yourself Ken, we're going to replace the rear passenger side brake caliper on a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero. When trying to replace our rear brake pads, we noticed that our brake caliper piston wouldn't go in, signifying that this brake caliper is bad and needed to be replaced. For this job, you're going to need your new brake caliper, an 11/16 wrench, a pair of ice grips with a claw. So the first step after you find that your brake caliper is stuck and you get your materials is to re-screw the caliper bolts in. So with the old caliper held in place, now we're going to clamp this brake hose. Next step is to use our 11/16 wrench to loosen the brake hose. Now with our brake hose loosened, we're going to remove the caliper bolts. So with our loose brake caliper, we're going to use our 11/16 wrench to remove the hose. You want to hold the hose in place while you unscrew the caliper. So our new caliper came with a new caliper bracket, so we're going to switch out this old one and install a new one. In addition, we replaced the vice grips with these plastic clamps here to be easier on the hose so the hose doesn't rip. So to remove the caliper bracket, you're going to loosen up these two bolts, 1, 2, and you're going to use a 17mm socket on a breaker bar. To finish removing these bolts, we're going to use the ratchet with the 17mm socket. So now with our new caliper bracket, we're going to re-screw in the bolts. Now we're going to finish tightening the bolts with the ratchet. So here we have our new caliper, and before you re-screw the hose in, you want to install this upper caliper pin bolt. So now with the upper caliper pin bolt in, we're going to re-screw the brake hose into the caliper. So after you finish screwing in the hose, you want to install the caliper. So hold this in place and then use your 11/16 wrench to finish tightening the hose. After the hose is tightened, you want to remove your clamp. So that's how you replace the rear brake caliper on a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero. Hope you found this video helpful. Save time and stress working on this car by subscribing to the channel or clicking the playlist link below. Take care.